哇！
What's a good one to go with? And
It's a chicken. I don't think it's chicken.
is it codfish croquette?
Yeah. Oh, it's so hard to eat. Oh, what? Did she just microwave it just now?
Yeah.
Okay, this is really bad. This is fried prawn, is it? Yeah, let me try.
I think not bad, but yeah, it's not.
Wow, the batter is damn bad. Oh,
可能好像他做到这个 market 是 popular market 咯。
it's so
啊
bad.，
因为不错不错，这样。
This is like cake batter. What in the world is this?
Another market.
Mm.
不然脑子里想光要减肥。
你公司真的有高
什么高丽我觉得很穷嘞，他怎么可能有这个？是人家教他煎的，是不是？人家那些，人教他煎的，他很多煎嘛。
Oh, of a self-made man. Yeah. Correct.
Y bueno, ya trucaré més tard. Vale, pues moltes gràcies, eh?
Oh, why do you go according to script?
Because it's nicer.
No. One green, one green. Okay.
Wow.
够熟嘛？
The sides are more cooked if you all prefer that.
I can smell the pepper. Give me
No.
the fork.
Not bad. So this is about what 11 SGD. Varies
yeah.
but I bought $8 steaks
Okay.
at QB before.
Okay, let's see this
这个
one.
怎么样？它的蓝豆。
Side some
Yeah,
more.
normal.
OK。
And the knife is very sharp.
哦 OK。
Oh, the knife is very sharp. Okay.
OK。
You can take a side. It's more.
是啊，够熟。
Mm.
OK。
Normal.
Is it ribeye?
No, I think it's sirloin.
Yeah.
Wait, actually I'm not sure though. She said entrecote, but entrecote is sirloin, but there's an eye and then there's a cat. So I'm pretty sure this is a ribeye. Wings.
Whoa！
It's like 豆灰 like that.
啊，岛灰，看看你看岛灰，
Like yogurt taste. I love it.
把里下面有那个 strawberry 跟它挖出来。
慢慢挖出来的，不错嘞，很好吃嘞。I like texture.
Yeah, off the light.
Huh?
Off the light.
Them busting man.
C'est ça.
Yeah.